When fishing offshore, you want a dependable and easy-to-use radio. Icom M330G 31 fits squarely into that space. This marine radio is compact, with dimensions of 6.2 by 2.6 by 4.3 inches, width, height, depth, so it won't take up precious space while mounting. Since it is a fixed mount unit, it has access to a 25-watt transmitter. This allows the radio to have more reliable communications, which is beneficial when you're offshore. Backlight for the dot matrix LCD and the keypad means you can easily use the radio in low light conditions. Icom M330G is a successor to the M323G. Functionally, both models are nearly identical, though there are a few changes. M330G is more compact and has smaller dimensions. Also, the mic speaker has a dedicated button for channel 16, and Icom's M330G's display includes a quick note on the description of the channel it's currently on. On the downside, though, the older M323G has a built-in GPS, and M330G relies on an external puck antenna for GPS. The interface has a simplified look through the use of soft keys and a directional keypad. This also includes a single knob handling volume, squelch, and power. In my opinion, that's a mixed bag. It can feel counterintuitive to handle the volume and squelch while working a single knob. Other conventional features include access to the NOAA weather channels and a dedicated digital selective calling (DSC) switch for distress signals. The radio is IPX7 waterproof, thus it's capable of handling streams of water or being submerged. This is more than adequate for any radio, and more so for a fixed mount. One feature I find especially interesting is the aquaquake draining function. Using this feature sets off low-frequency sound waves near the speaker area. These waves can clear out water or moisture trapped in the speakers. Overall, the Icom M330G offers reliable and remarkable features in an attractive, easy-to-use package, and it's great especially for beginners. However, its GPS antenna has been designed for use with boats with steel or aluminum tops. If that's not your boat, you might be better off picking a unit with built-in GPS. To sum up what we like is the GPS receiver and external puck antenna for better accuracy, the backlight for screen and keypad, the good 25-watt transmitting power, the compact size, and the IPX7 waterproofing. On the downside, squelch and volume control are placed on a single knob, which can be confusing. It lacks man overboard function, and it needs additional setup and antenna for GPS. Our rating for transmit power is 9 out of 10. Value for money, 8.5 out of 10. Functionality, 9 out of 10. Waterproofing, 10 out of 10, for an overall rating of 9.15 out of 10. So what do you think? Is this the best marine radio for you? Check another video where we reviewed the 5 best marine radios and see if any of these is a better option for you. Tell us in the comments what you think, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have an awesome day.